So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app email confirmation not working. Resend and verify guide. Fix 1 is force a fresh verification email. Close the McDonald's app completely, reopen the app, log in and tap resend verification email. Leave the app open in the background, do not log out. Second fix is unclog your email inbox. Open your email app and close the spam, junk or promotion folder. Type McDonald's into the main search bar to scan all folder. Refresh your inbox manually by pulling down on the screen. Wait exactly 3 to 5 minutes for saved delays. Third fix is verify your email address. Verify the email address entered during account registration for typos. Check the email address in the app's profile or account section. Fourth fix is clear app data. For Android, navigate to setting on your device. Select app from the menu. Find and tap on McDonald's app. Go to storage option. Tap on clear cache and clear data. For iOS, press and hold the McDonald's app icon, tap remove app, tap delete app, reinstall the app from the app store. Fifth fix is update the app. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Check for the latest version of the McDonald's app. Ensure the app is updated to access new features and improvements. Thanks for watching.